Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hopefully we get old. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like yours. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hopefully we get old.
Good morning, Adventure Gang.
Alright, so finally we're back hiking. And I'm so happy. Me and him haven't done a hiking vlog in literally like more than 6 months.
Yeah, it's been
and
a
we were
long
supposed to
time.
go yesterday, but someone went out and got way too drunk. So he's hungover. He's gonna be on energy level maybe like 6 out of 10 today. So I'll just be, holding the camera, doing my thing.
Get some food in my belly, I'll be good.
Yeah, he really wants to eat, but I wanted to stop by at this it's a new little drink place that they have, and he goes there like for work, for lunch at work, like every day he comes over here and gets his drink.
So freaking good this one.
So finally I'm over here and I want to try it.
So yeah, if you guys haven't checked it out, it's in Winter City, Keanuhea. It's called Shaka Shaka. Check them out. Killer smoothies, killer pastries.
And then we're gonna head over to Masa and Joy's and get musubis. So we'll just do a quick little montage and take you guys with us. Let's go.
Right, John.
Alright, so about this drink, I think they forgot to put the pineapple and it's not that great. I'm pretty sure Keanu, when he goes in, because the girl's pretty hot, because this flavor, it's not happening.
It's alright.
Alright, he got our food.
Look at that. That's how you do it right there. That's a good way to start your day.
I'm stuck driving. Somehow this turned in, it was supposed to be like all about me, my perfect day, whatever I want.
As soon as I'm feeling better.
But I'm driving.
I'm fucking nauseous and hanging balls.
I'm drinking a jump drink. Just kidding. I need to look up the directions and then we're gonna be on our way. That smells so good. Let me see.
Bruh. Motherfuckers major.
44 minutes. Wait. 33 minutes. Alright, we're off. Let's get it.
Okie dokie, everybody. So we are on the road. And there is major traffic. Major traffic. We just got on the H3 and this is what it looks like. At least it's moving. But still get major traffic. Beautiful Keanuhea.
Guys, what is normally supposed to take us like 30 minutes to get to where this hike is, it's gonna take us an hour. And that was like not even estimating with the traffic time. So that sucks. We started really late because he was sleeping until 12.
Well, you told me I could.
Well, yeah, because you're hungover. This wouldn't have happened unless you slept in. Yeah. So hopefully by the time we get to that side, the sun is shining on that side, and it's still gonna be fucking bomb because we've never done this hike. And any hike that it's our first time doing, we just have like a great time. The adrenaline of not knowing what's coming is just exciting. Even if when you have it all built up and you get there and the hike like sucks and there's no spout or anything, the adrenaline rush all the way up there is worth it. So we're gonna have a good time. Check this out, guys. The whole H3 is completely packed. We're gonna be stuck in the tunnel. Alright guys, so we just got here and it's actually freezing. It's pretty cloudy, but it didn't look like it actually rained, so I was hoping the sun would come out, but then like I just got out and I felt how cold it was, and thank goodness he has his shirt in here because I would be cold. Probably once we start hiking, like it's gonna warm up, but for now I need this. Thank goodness there was still parking. He is getting everything ready. Oh, I need to go grab our musubis and throw them in here so we have something to eat. You guys, horribly, I forgot to stop at somewhere for us to buy drinks. We were supposed to stop at 7-Eleven or just any like gas station so we can have drinks. And I was like had my head in the GPS and he was sleeping, so I just kept driving. But as soon as we got up here and we paid for our parking, we were like, wait, what is over there? Is there any way for us like to buy water? And the guy was like, yeah, there's a snack room in there. So we're gonna go buy some water, because if not, he's gonna throw a tantrum, because he pretty much just did. Ooh, the kind of snacks I don't need. Who cares?
Because we could have went to freaking 7-Eleven and grabbed.
But we forgot, so you're lucky they have any.
Those are $2 actually.
Oh, Raja.
Guys, so far so good. This is the trail, it's paved. So we're just strolling up. We just started. This is level 0. And you'll see what level we're gonna get on. So we didn't tell you guys, but this hike is actually, a girl on Facebook that I was asking about it said this is probably the hardest hike on the island that she's ever done. And she said she almost did every hike.
Oh, yeah.
Including the Stairway to Heaven. So I'm a little nervous, but we've pretty much done every hike, and I feel like we've gone on like the Palinachos, which is really sketchy. The Palipuka is probably like the one that I think is the most sketchy. So I was like, we're pretty experienced hikers, like I feel like it's worth trying once. And then she was like, yeah, we'll hike. So she switched up real quick when she found out no matter what we're doing it. I don't know what that is. A closed street. But here we go, we're off, coming through the gates. And finally, as you can see, the sun is coming through, so my plan actually worked out. Went on this side, start a little bit later. Even if it's a cloudy day. For some reason, as soon as we were getting ready to leave, I couldn't find my shoes anywhere. So I'm stuck running the Vans. It's so loud.
It's a dinosaur, bro. It's a pterodactyl. So if you guys can hear what she's talking about, pretty sure you guys can. The bugger is loud. But it's a dinosaur. It's a baby pterodactyl, guys. So if you guys stay tuned, if we're lucky enough, you might just see this guy. Oh! I just seen that fucker.
Thanks so much. It's fine. You can go though.
What is this exactly? Does anybody know?
It's just vines. That's how they naturally grow.
Really?
Yeah.
Neat.
Yep.
What cover on it? I wonder.
How you feeling?
Hey, bro. I'm hurting right now. Fuck, it was good fun last night, but definitely was not what it is.
Exactly. Look how sick this tree is. Made it a natural little tunnel. Just kidding, I doubt it's natural. I'm sure someone tied the roots and stuff to make it stay, but that is really cool. There they are. We are heading up there. We want to make it to that top one, not that first one. But I'm getting worried because we're getting really close to the waterfall and I still haven't seen the turn we're supposed to make. And I'm really hoping we didn't pass it. We'll see. Alrighty, so we made it to the first fall that we're trying to get to. Here it is. Not that big of a flow today. So gorgeous. Daddy's over here, chilling. We're just taking a quick little break. Before we head up because that is when the really treacherous part starts and what everybody warns us about. So I took off my shoes because I'm doing it barefoot. Daddy's doing it barefoot. And we're gonna manhandle this. So it looks like it's just me and Keanu and it's so quiet and romantic. But really, you guys, look on the other side. There's a sign that says don't cross and go into the waterfall, but if you're local, you can use this as a watering access point, and you can actually fight it in like the law of court if you're using it, well, if you're really using it for water.
The law of court?
Yeah, the court of law. And say that we're out here for spiritual reasons and nobody could stop you, so unstoppable. Cultural, spiritual, anything, you know, for the connects. Just keep climbing and stop complaining. Like whining like it's too hard. And I literally said this is supposed to be the hardest hike on the whole entire island.
Nothing to do with the fucking how hard it is, dumbass. I asked the right fucking way.
We're not even halfway there, dude. We didn't even start like the main climbing part. We're so dead. It's so steep. You can't tell here, but I had to bear crawl. Hands and knees all the way up. Whew. So that big banyan tree is how we know that we've made it. But we made it only to the start of the climb. This should be interesting. I see someone coming down. He's had it.
Don't even know what we're going through right now for this video. Fuck. Oh my god. Fucking baby's killing me.
Alright, so this is where I need both hands, so the camera's gonna go away. This is pretty much as steep as it gets too. We're at like a full incline. He's climbing up it, I'm looking down. We gotta finish this.
Come on. Want to go up there?
Yeah.
Hurry up.
I totally am sticking to what I said. Barefoot. He's making it up. And finally we have ropes to help us. So I'll be putting you away again and climbing those damn ropes. All right. That was the initial climb. Let's see how this goes. That would be the cliff. Wow. All right. So I guess we could have climbed straight up there too, but that looks really sketchy because that's a long fall down. Look at that drop, you guys. Literally have to hang on to the rope. But look at that view. So gorgeous. Alright guys, so we finally made it.
Made it, we alive.
That's behind us, but check out what's in front of us. This is so sketchy. It's legit just a drop down there
Straight drop.
to the other waterfall that we started off on at the bottom.
So basically, we're at a waterfall on top of a waterfall.
Yeah, and we're in a natural, what are those pools called? That look out, like, and it looks like there's a drop.
Infinity pool.
Yeah, natural infinity pool.